Use Craigslist to find new employees. Craigslist is a popular online classified website for job hunters and employers. Use Craigslist to get the best employees for your business. This is cheaper and practical than other methods like radio and print. Below are guides on how to use Craigslist to find new employees. Create a Craigslist account. It's suggested to make a separate account for Craigslist and other auction sites where you want to join. Also, make a different password so scammers and hackers won't get private information that they can use against you. Just forward your messages in Craigslist in your regular email account for backup. Analyze the job offers of other employers. Giving the best offer possible to job hunters will entice them to enter your company. If your business is about technical support, then find a label under the jobs category and various postings from different employers will pop up. Analyze the postings and try to give a better offer for the probable employees. Visit Craigslist. Familiarize yourself with the interface of the main screen. There you'll find different categories like community, personal, discussion forums, residence, sale, services, jobs, the gig, and resume. Each category has subcategories like jobs have accounting, education, government, human resources, customer service, technical support, media, and general labor. Find your location. It is on the right sidebar or screen of the website's main page. If the city you're looking for isn't listed, then click its state. After that, click the city nearest the location to bring you to the area's classifieds page. Click Post to Classifieds. This can be found on the right sidebar of the main page. There, you can find different categories like job offered, job wanted/resume, housing offered, for sale, item wanted, gig offered, service offered, romance/personal, community, and event. You can only post on a single category and geographical area. You aren't allowed to cross-post on multiple categories or cities. When posting, don't put phone numbers. Use an anonymous email address instead. Repost your job postings weekly because there are always new listings, which can bury your posts. Elucidate the job posting by including detailed information so job hunters won't get lost. Determine size issues in requesting sample works. Don't forget that Craigslist only allows a particular number of files that their system can receive. Stop the posting once you get 50 applicants. Read and analyze the posting guidelines for jobs. Example information is that you offer monetary salary on your post, and job posters must be lawfully responsible. Also, Craigslist doesn't accept job posts about business opportunities, referral marketing, multilevel marketing, positions involving nudity, and positions requiring upfront fees. Click the "I will abide by these guidelines" in the bottom part of the page. Click the category for your business. There are various choices like admin, accounting, architect, customer service jobs, general labor jobs, healthcare jobs, human resource jobs, internet engineering jobs, manufacturing jobs, real estate jobs, sales jobs, and writing jobs. Add more details to your post. Make a posting title, specific location, your email address, posting description, and compensation. Give specific details about compensation. There are boxes that indicate if you wanted telecommuting, part-time, or contract jobs. Click Continue to finalize your post. Make quick replies to applications. Remember that employers abound a website, so it's possible that potential employees are sending their CVs to more than one prospective employer. To reply, click the link "Reply to" that can be found at the website's top part.